Video call lastane sub MCQSK answers hi, so watch video till end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Chemistry Nails. 1. Plastoquinone. A. Plastoquinone. B. Cytochrome C. C. Plastocyanin. D. Ferredoxin. 2. Which of the following process does not need pyruvic acid as a substrate? MDCAT 2020. A. Alcohol fermentation. B. Calvin cycle. C. Aerobic respiration. D. Lactic acid fermentation. 3. What is the function of ribulose? MDCAT 2020. A. Intermediate in photosynthesis. B. Respiratory fuel. C. Intermediate in cellular respiration. D. Component of DNA and RNA. 4. First stable compound during Calvin cycle is MDCAT 2020. A. 3-phosphoglycerate. B. Glycerate 3-phosphate. C. 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. D. Ribulose bisphosphate. 5. End product of glycolysis in aerobic respiration is MDCAT 2020. A. Ethanol. B. Lactate. C. Pyruvate. D. Acetyl-CoA. 6. Photophosphorylation takes place in the of the chloroplasts MDCAT 2020. A. Stroma. B. Granum. C. Inner membrane. D. Outer membrane. 7. In light-independent stage of photosynthesis, the CO combines with to form an unstable 6-carbon intermediate. MDCAT 2015. A. Ribulose bisphosphate. B. Hexose sugar. C. Glycerate 3-phosphate. D. Glyceraldehyde 9-phosphate. 8. In glycolysis, glycerate -1,3-bisphosphate is converted into glycerate 3-phosphate by losing phosphate molecules. MDCAT 2015. A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. 9. Malate is oxidized by at oxaloacetate in Krebs's cycle. MDCAT 2015. A. ATP. B. NAD. C. FAD. D. FOD. 10. In electron transport chain, the electrons from NADH and FADH are passed to MDCAT 2015. A. Cytochrome A. B. Cytochrome A. C. Coenzyme C. D. Coenzyme Q. 11. Carriers of the respiratory chain are located on MDCAT 2015. A. Matrix of mitochondria. B. Outer membrane of mitochondria. C. Inner membrane of mitochondria. D. Cytoplasmic matrix. 12. Photosystem I has chlorophyll A molecules which absorb maximum light of MDCAT 2016. A. 680 nanometers. B. 620 nanometers. C. 700 nanometers. D. 580 nanometers. 13. C. Photosynthesis produces MDCAT 2016. A. Only glucose. B. CO. C. ATP. D. Only oxygen. 14. Immediate product formed after CO fixation in Calvin cycle is MDCAT 2016. A. Unstable 6-carbon compound. B. Unstable 5-carbon compound. C. Unstable 4-carbon compound. D. Unstable 3-carbon compound. 15. Functional group of chlorophyll A is MDCAT 2016. A. CH. B. CHO. C. CU. D. O. 16. Chlorophyll molecule contains MDCAT 2017. A. Mg squared. B. Ca squared. C. K. D. Na. 17. The tail of chlorophyll molecule is embedded in MDCAT 2017. A. Membrane of mitochondria. B. Thylakoid membrane. C. Membrane of SER. D. Membrane of RER. 18. Carotenoids absorb light of MDCAT 2017. A. Yellow-orange range. B. Yellow-red range. Answers. 1. B. 2. B. 3. A. 4. A. 5. C. 6. B. 7. A. 8. A. 9. B. 10. D. 11. C. 12. C. 13. C. 14. A. 15. A. 16. A. 17. B. 18. A.